Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Stripe crypto payments with US availability detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin setting up Stripe for crypto payments, first navigate to the Stripe website. Log into your Stripe account or create a new one if you don't have an existing account. Once you're logged in, go to the dashboard. From the dashboard, locate the Payments section in the left-hand menu. Click on Payments to access the payment settings. Next, find the Settings icon, usually located at the bottom left corner. Click on Settings to open your account settings. Within the Settings menu, look for the Payment Methods option. Click on Payment Methods to explore your options. Here, you will see a list of available payment methods. Scroll down to locate the Crypto Payment option. If you don't see a crypto payment option, ensure your account is eligible for this feature. Once you find the crypto payment option, click on the toggle to enable it. You may also need to complete additional verification to activate crypto payments. Follow any on-screen prompts to verify your business information and payment preferences. After enabling the crypto payment option, you'll need to integrate it with your website or application. Locate the Developers section in the left-hand menu. Click on Developers to access API keys and integration documentation. Copy your public and secret API keys for use in your code. If you're using a platform like WordPress or Shopify, check for a dedicated Stripe plugin that supports crypto payments. Install the plugin and follow the prompts for configuration. If you're using custom code, follow the integration steps outlined in Stripe's API documentation. Make sure to include error handling in your code to manage unsuccessful payments. Once integrated, it's time to test the setup. Switch your test mode on in the Stripe dashboard. Create test transactions using provided test card details to ensure everything functions correctly. Verify that the payment process works seamlessly for crypto transactions. After successful testing, switch back to live mode to accept real payments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.